I gave some money at simple interest and at the end of 10 years got back twice the sum. Find out the rate percent per annum. So here I have given out some money at simple interest. Let's say the amount of money which I have given is P. Now the time frame for which I have given this money is 10 years. So this entire period is 10 years. And at the end of 10 years, the amount that I get is equal to 2 times the original amount which I had given. So the amount is equal to 2 times the principal. Now this is equal to P plus P. Now of course the amount that I get at the end of the period is going to be principal plus the simple interest. So here the simple interest is equal to the principal. So for the 10-year period, the simple interest is equal to the principal amount which I had lent. Now we have to find out the rate percent at which this amount lent at R% or this rate becomes twice itself in 10 years. So here for each of the years the rate is R%, which is the same for each of the years as a standalone, and so on. So now here we know the simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by the rate of interest per annum multiplied by the time frame in years divided by 100. Now the simple interest is equal to the principal, so P is equal to P multiplied by R, which is to be found out, so R multiplied by T, which is 10 years, divided by 100. So this P gets cancelled with this P. So R is equal to, let's take this 100 and this 10 on the other side. So it becomes 100 divided by 10, or R is equal to 10% per annum. So the rate of interest is 10% per annum. Now let's look at it in a different way. Now the principal amount is P, and for each of the years you are getting R% interest. So the interest for each of the years is going to be R% of P. So this is each year. Now there are 10 years, so the total interest gained for 10 years is going to be 10 multiplied by R% of P, and this whole amount is equal to the principal amount because the simple interest for 10 years is equal to P. So this is equal to P, or 10 multiplied by, now R% can be expressed as R divided by 100 multiplied by P, and this is equal to P, or 10 multiplied by R divided by 100 multiplied by P is equal to P. So we can cancel these two P. So or R is equal to, now let's take this 110 on the other side. So 100 divided by 10. So this becomes 10, or R is equal to 10% per annum. Now let's take a case where instead of 10 years the amount was doubling up in 12 years. So this would have been 12 years, and same simple interest is equal to the principal amount after 12 years. and we have to find out the rate, that is R percent. So basically this would become 12, this would be 12, this will be 12, this will be 12. So it will become R is equal to 100 divided by 12. So in other terms, the rate of interest is equal to 100 divided by X, where X is the number of years. So if you have a case like this where you are trying to find the rate percent when a sum of money has doubled in X number of years, then the rate percent can be found out by dividing 100 by the number of years in which the amount is doubling up. So suppose this was 14, then it would have been 14, this is 14, and so on, and this would be 100 divided by 14. So this is the quick and simple way of finding out the rate percent when the amount is doubling up in X number of years.